Marlon Dingle, Mark Carnock, will be left devastated in Emmerdale next week, as he's rushed to hospital after developing a serious cough. The soap mainstay, as viewers know, suffered a life-changing stroke several weeks ago. Emotional scenes on Monday saw him depart the hospital and return home, as Rona Goskirk, Zoe Henry, got the house all ready for him. Marlon has certainly been happier at home with his loved ones, but a serious cough puts him in danger next week. The above clip, taken from Tuesday's, May 3rd, edition of the ITV soap, sees the chef perk up when Beowulf, Joshua Richards, asks him if he'd like to go to the allotment. Mary, Louise Jameson, expresses her concerns, making note of Marlon's cough as reason to stay inside, but realizing how much he wants to go with new best friend Bear, she backs down. Subsequent scenes, however, see things take a turn, as Liam Kavanagh, Johnny McPherson, recommends that Marlon be taken to hospital, after learning about his new cough. Rona receives quite the shock when she discovers that Marlon has developed aspiration pneumonia, and what's more, he now has to wear a breathing mask as his coughing worsens. The doctor later informs the couple that his rehabilitation progress will likely regress, and they're both heartbroken by this step backwards.